It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, yeah. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. All my what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow. Flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, yeah. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord, oh, it changed my life. Greater than anything I imagined. Oh, I made it here, yeah, all because I got you. Ooh, ooh, yeah, I got you. Ooh, ooh.
I want to say that's about it for this video. So if you like what you saw in this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.